down gently. Wait, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Wait, I feel so bad. Here, I think he likes this. Ready? Look, it's literally like this much. Go. This man's. What are you doing? You are the most chaotic bird I've ever seen. Ready? Ready? Go. What in the heck? I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Okay.
Oh my god! What is that?
Here, let's get you out in the open. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Where are you going? Go back. I don't know if you're supposed to be out. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. Candy's over there. Okay, here, let's put you out in the open. Oh my god, Candy. Where are you going? No. Oh my god! Batman! Oh, are you okay? Are you okay, Batman? Okay, I'm just gonna hold you. And we're just gonna plop you down right here. Right here, where you can't move. Okay. Oh my god. No, you did not. Oh my god, Mans is drunk. Mans is drunk. Oh, okay. Mr. Show Off. Wait, can I put them together? Batman and Oh Boy? Oh, really? Wait, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. He's drunk. He's literally drunk, Dad. Where are you going? Where are you going? No! Candy sees. Where are you going? Oh my god, no! Wait. Candy? I mean, Batman. He just squeaked. He just rammed back into the... Anyways, that's my chaotic bird.